Stainless steel brush for cleaning thermal cutter blades. If there is some EVA remains left on the blades, you can use the steel brush to clean the blades of the thermal cutter. If you want to buy, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin, cnc@cncglass.com, WhatsApp, WeChat app, mobile, website, and we wish you have a nice day. Stainless steel brush. Stainless steel brush for cleaning thermal cutter blades. If there is some EVA remains left on the blades after you trimming laminated glass edges, if there is some EVA remains left on the blades, you can use the stainless steel brush to cleaning the blades.